Bicarbonate soda, otherwise well known as baking soda, is a wonder ingredient. You may know the age-old ingredients salt and baking soda for being brilliant in the kitchen when cooking. But how about around the house when cleaning? These handy ingredients are in fact incredible in the bathroom. How do you use them to clean? What makes them so special? Join us as we'll show you 6 different ways you can use it in your bathroom to leave your guests wondering how you got it so clean. Number 6. Toilets. There's nothing worse than lifting up the toilet seat lid to find a less than appealing sight staring back at you. Whilst some toilet bowls are designed not to stain at all, there can still be some stubborn markings regardless of how hard you scrub. Of course, this is the worst when you have guests over. To save you from any form of embarrassment, try using baking soda to get rid of any stubborn, gross stains haunting your toilet. It's as simple as making it a part of your weekly routine when cleaning. Simply sprinkle your toilet bowl with a generous cup of baking soda. Once you know it's nicely coated, leave it to sit for a good 30 minutes. After that, pick up your vinegar spray bottle and sprinkle some acidic vinegar over. This acidic mixture will help activate the soda and lift it, bringing the stain along with it. Go about how you would usually scrub the bowl with your brush and flush. You'll be left with a brilliantly white toilet bowl staring right back at you. Number 5. Bathtubs and sinks. Soap scum is a cleaner's worst nightmare. Unfortunately, no matter how hard you try, some products really just don't have the power to lift that pesky ring that forms around bathtubs and sinks. And no, these rings don't necessarily mean that you're a dirty person leaving behind evidence. It is, in fact, the very thing that keeps you clean that can leave a nasty stain on your beautiful porcelain bath or sink. The fat from the soap reacts with the hard minerals in your bath water to leave difficult dirt to contend with. Luckily, this is no match for the wondrous baking soda salt. You can use this product in 2 ways to help with this issue. First, start by preventing the issue. After all, prevention is always better than cure. Make sure that you wipe your bathtub and sink down with a cloth to prevent the soapy scum from forming. However, if you find yourself with the pesky ring to start, you can either sponge it off gently with a nice mixture of baking soda salts and dishwashing liquid. But if you're facing a more stubborn case, you can make a mixture of baking soda, vinegar, ammonia, and warm water. This miraculous paste will work straight away. Just make sure to ventilate the room and wear gloves to protect yourself from the ammonia. Number 4. Shower doors. The first impression of a bathroom can come greatly from the look of the shower door. No one wants to see a cloudy, opaque shower door staring back at them as they walk into the bathroom. Rather, a crystal clear door can be a direct sign of a clean bathroom. This can be challenging sometimes, though. Obviously, the first step can be that you wipe away any excess water after using the shower. But if that's not enough, you can always wash it down. Now, soap doesn't always work, because when it dries, it leaves behind terrible marks and streaks. You also definitely want to avoid any scratches on the glass causing permanent damage. This is where the powerhouse of bicarb soda comes in. Thanks to its dissolving nature, you can mix it with some water on a spong and go to work on the glass without fear of there ever being any damage done. All you have to do after that is spray down the glass with some water, and bam, you'll have a sparkling glass shower door once more. Number 3. Drains and shower heads. Limescale and grime are a real thing in your shower, and more often than not, you'll find them in hard-to-see places, like down your drain and in your shower head. What makes these so irritating is that you often don't know they're there until your shower head stops working or your drain starts to back flood. Let's start with the drain. To help open up your drain, you can simply pour a mixture down. Just mix 1 cup of vinegar with half a cup of baking soda and pour it down the drain. Leave it to sit in the drain for up to 20 minutes. Once you're ready, flush the drain with some very hot water. This helps to break down the limescale, grime, and even hair that may have been building up, preventing the drain from emptying. Just be sure not to do this if you have already treated your drain with a commercial cleaner. Then next, the shower head. If you can detach your shower head, do so and leave it to soak in a solution of baking soda, half a cup, mixed with a cup of vinegar. You can leave it in this mixture for up to an hour. Once done, reattach it to the shower and run some very hot water through it for a few minutes. This will help to clear any debris that has been clogging your shower from working properly. If you cannot detach your shower head, don't worry, we've got you covered. You can simply put the same mixture into a plastic bag. You place the plastic bag over the shower head, submerging the said shower head inside the liquid. You can use a rubber band to hold it in place. Again, let it soak for about an hour before releasing the bag and running hot water through the shower head. this will have the same effect. This clean will help your next shower feel like it did when your shower was first used. Number 2. Grout, the good old adhesive filling between your tiles. Yes, the very thing that gets overlooked quite often when cleaning the bathroom, but probably one of the most important. Here's why. Not only does stained grout have the ability to ruin the look of a bathroom, but it can possibly make you terribly ill. Thanks to the humid conditions of a bathroom, any bacteria or mold that attaches itself to the grouting has the perfect environment to multiply, letting off some horrible remnants whenever the room gets all steamy. Luckily for you, bicarbonate soda is just the thing to help you prevent this, allowing you to keep the stony mixture nice and clean. Grout is best cleaned with an alkaline mixture, which in this case would be some baking soda mixed generously with some water. Pair this mixture with a handy old toothbrush and voila, you've got a dream match. Scrub down the grouting with the mixture and the toothbrush and rinse. Then pat the area nice and dry, preventing any other bacteria from attaching itself. Number 1. The air in the bathroom. Just as stains can make a bathroom super unappealing, so can an awful smell. There's nothing worse than walking into a bathroom that smells moldy or worse. Believe it or not, but some bicarbonate soda can go a long way in keeping away those terrible odors in the bathroom. This fine powder has the awesome power of being able to absorb terrible odors in an environment. So how do you implement this? You can leave a small container of bicarb soda out to do its thing, but if this doesn't fit your aesthetic, you could mix it amongst some of your favorite bath salts and leave them on the side of the bath as decor. Just as simple as that, and boom, you'll have a fresh-smelling bathroom at all times, whether or not someone decides to use the air freshener. Would you have thought of using this ingredient in this way? How else would you use bicarb in your home? Take these tips on how to use bicarbonate soda in your bathroom and try them out. Let us know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.